So you can check the file is moved, and graphical also we can check, and here also we can check by giving ls. Now we will move in XYZ and we'll check whether we can find the file over there. And you can see practice.txt is available. So now move out of a current directory. So for renaming a file or moving a file, we'll be using a mv command for renaming as well as for moving the file. Now we are going to move a directory. We can use same mv command. We don't have to pass on any hyphen or some parameters here. So mv avc, and I want to copy in xyz. So you can check avc is moved to xyz. You can find it over here right now, right? So this is how we can copy or move or rename a directory. Next, we have many other particular commands which we are going to use, right? So here we are going to see how to create a link of a file. Now we have a file demo.txt. Now I want to link it. I want to make a shortcut of this particular file. So I am giving command ln space demo.txt, where I want to create a link that I need to specify now. I'll copy on desktop or my XYZ folder. Okay, the link is created and you can see the name of the file is highlighted, right? So whenever it is linked is created, it will be highlighted. So if I want to create it on a desktop, what I'll do, I'll come on desktop. I'll create it on desktop so we can see it over here in graphical form. So I'll just delete this XYZ what I've created, and we can check again the highlight should get removed. First, it is removed, right? So I'll create the link of demo.txt on my desktop. For that, I'll give command ln demo.txt space. I'll give the location of my desktop. I'll give the complete path here. With the same name, I've created this particular link, demo.txt. And I'll give S. You can see it is highlighted. That means it is having a link. Now you're on desktop, you can see it is highlighted. Now what I'm going to do, by default the demo.txt we have created in XYZ, right? So we have shortcut of that demo.txt on my desktop, right? So we will just make some changes in this particular demo.txt, right? So we can see whether both files are getting affected or not. So for that, we will just open demo.txt file of any of the location. So I will just check the demo.txt content over here in XYZ. These are the two lines which we have. And I'll just modify this demo.txt. I'll just add or we can make some changes in this file. So I'm using VI editor for editing this file. Now here, I'm going to add a line. Added in XYZ folder. So I'm going to add this particular line in XYZ folder. So we have added it. We have saved this file. We'll just check demo.txt which is there in my XYZ. So it is added. We'll just move on my desktop and we can check the content of this particular file, the shortcut which we have created, the link which we have created on demo.desktop as well. So you can see it is again updated with the new line which I have added in my XYZ. Right. So this is how when we create a shortcut, so automatically when you make any changes in the original file and in the shortcut file, automatically both the file will be updated. So now I'll move under my XYZ again. Now we are in XYZ. Now if I want to delete this demo.txt by incidents or by purposely, I have deleted this demo.txt. So I've deleted it, yes. Now we can give ls command, there is no demo.txt, and we can move on my desktop again. And check, we have demo.txt, and just we'll check the content of the demo.txt whether it has the content. So you can see it is also having the content. So we have deleted the original file, but still there is a link created, it will have the content. So and the highlight which we had on the file name, it has been removed. So we'll again move in cdxyz, we'll again create the file with name demo.txt. I'll add some other line over here. I saved it. I checked demo.txt. And I can see in your desktop we also have demo.txt, but it's not been linked again. Right? It's not affected anything. Now we again move in XYZ and we'll see the different types of link which we can create. Right? So we'll start with demo.txt. So here the file is treated as a different file once you have deleted the original file. Now we are going to see how we are going to create different links here. So I am going to create a soft link by using command ln space -. First I'll check the inode numbers here of the file demo.txt. We can also check the demo.txt which is located on my desktop. You can see the inode numbers. They are completely different because they have saved in different locations, not in only operating system but also in our pointer records. Right? The inode number of both the files are completely different. So now we are going to create a soft link on this particular file. Now we can see the different links which we create and we can check the inode numbers as well. Whether the files they have the same inode number or they have different inode numbers. So here we are going to create a soft link. So for creating a soft link, I'll specify space -s ln, or we can just move in XYZ first. Now we can check a file ln space -s. I want to create XYZ demo.txt. Already we are in XYZ, so we can directly define demo.txt space the name we will define in our desktop, root desktop, and the name we will define, that is a soft link. And enter. You can see the arrow mark on my soft link. Right, that means it has created a soft link. Now we can just check the inode number of demo.txt in XYZ, and I'll move in my desktop and I will check the demo.txt inode number. Now for that, I'll just move in desktop. I'll check the same here. And you can see again it are having a different inode numbers. Right? So if I'm updating the original file, just we can check a look on this. Demo.txt we are going to update. It is there on desktop. With a new line, this is soft link. Update. I'll save this file, come out of it. I'll just check this file. It is there. I'll move in XYZ. And in XYZ also we can check the same file. So it will be updated. So both the files are updated. So I'm going to check the soft link inode number. Enter. Now we can see soft link inode number is again different. In different color, because whenever we create a soft link, it will be highlighted with the scan color. So I'm deleting anything in this particular file, demo.txt, because it's linked in this particular file. We'll just check the difference. The demo. So soft link is linked with the XYZ file demo.txt. So we'll just move in cd XYZ, and then we can check the inode number of demo.txt, and the inode number of soft link is completely different. But here you can see it is soft link created, it's not highlighted over here. So it is hello. I'll just modify it, or if I don't save any particular thing, just you can see the folders we have. That is, soft link is highlighted, but it is linked to XYZ, but it's not highlighted. Soft link has a different color, scan color, right? So we are moving, and demo.txt soft link will just check both the inode numbers, they are completely different.